This is my ATV quad bike build. It's actually the DRC 200E. That's the body. This is the original body of the DRC. You've seen the videos where I've run the DRC. This is the better out of the two bodies. You got the purple body. This one's not too bad. The skate bash the DRC and kind of fucked up the body, but this purple body is not too bad. But this orange body's seen better days. So as you can see, although I duct tape it from the insides, this orange one is seen a lot of better days. The purple one, surprisingly, I didn't duct tape it from the inside and it kind of survived. Both skate park bash, both bodies, but bought this quad body online on eBay for 22 quid. But you can see I had to stick insulation tape on all four corners of this body, man, because I think the guy he used this ATV body on different cars because a lot of holes, it's all bored out, the holes are all bored out and whatnot, man. There's, you can see, let me take the body off. Yeah, a lot of holes in the shot. He didn't even kind of say, let me just kind of mask up the holes and whatnot. And I didn't have to bore out any existing holes. The 4 holes that I'm using, that is the 4 holes that was in the car. So you can see the yellow insulation tape. So you got 1, 2, 3 holes, 4, 5, 6 holes, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 holes, and the 1, 2, 3, 4 holes I'm using, and there's a hole there that I mask up with tape at the front there. No light. See the front. Well, yeah, anyway, this is the same car, man, the DRC 200E. I've got Badlands on it. I can't find the wheels, the stock wheels. The last time I ran this car, the stock wheels blew out, innit, on all 4 corners, and the wheels weren't foamed. They weren't foamed, but they all came unglued. All 4 wheels literally all came unglued. So I've got Badlands, 2 new Badlands at the front, brand new wheels, only probably run once, and a couple of old ones. Yeah, 2 new ones at the rear, Badlands, and a couple of used ones at the front. But then the tread, still got the tread on it. But let's put this body back on, and I want to show. I'll turn the car on. I'll install some rear lights. Just strap a rear light with cable tie, USB run light. So let's put this on, put the body clips on. I'll turn the car on. I've got 2S in it because of the yeah, I run in 2S. Well, I've got a 2S battery hooked up to this what are you gonna call this shark now? It's an ATV now, isn't it? It's an ATV quad bike, but I've got 2S in it because I'm gonna be running bigger wheels, because the Badland wheels, let me just try and get this camera. The Badland wheels are bigger than the stock wheels that came with the car. So I thought I'd just try 2S and see what it's like on 2S, and then take it from there. Can't really see. I'll put this light on to get the body pins in at the front. Can hardly see, man. Got one in. I think I might have a short in the front lights of this truck. I think there's a short. It keeps turning off the light. Fucking hell, there's fucking body pins, man. I'm trying to get the body pin in. Oh, there it is. Because it's so dark in this house, I can't see. So anyway, let's turn the car on. Got the remote on. Let me just strap this a bit more securely. Oh, also, I've got different shocks. I forgot to mention I put different shocks on the car as well, because the car came, the DRC 200 came with friction shocks. Although I tried to put oil in them, but it wasn't happening. So I changed out the shocks, but I'm using the same stock springs. Yeah, I'm using the stock springs that came with the car, but the shocks are different, rear and the front as well. The front is a lot more better dampening. This body pin's come out. I think the hole might be too big for the body posts. I might have to change out the body post, man, or put thicker body pins in. I think it's the body pin actually. It's the body pin is loose. I'll sort the body pins out. Oh, the light came on. That's the rear light. 3 different positionings. USB. You charge it up by USB. Right, just gonna give it a little rip. Well, I'm indoors and it's dark outside. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning. Most people are asleep. Let me just check the steering. Let's do a Kevin Talbot staircase of doom. Slowly, slowly. Backflipped it. Backflipped it, man. There's got a little 2S battery in this one. His arm just came out from the fall. Yeah, that's it. Let's do a rip along here. Oh, that's got some power, man. 2S. 2S. Leave it there. It's only 2S, man. That's what I'm saying. Big wheels, innit? Badlands. So leave it here with this bit, man. See the light, front LED lights. There's a short. It's shorting out. See, so I have to sort the front LED lights out. Otherwise,